Hi there, students. To take apart. To take something apart. This means to separate something into its different parts. So the mechanic took the engine apart to see what was wrong with it, to find out where the problem was. I'm always worried about taking things apart because normally when I take something apart I can never put it back together again, or I've always got 2 or 3 bits over which I didn't put back in it. So to take something apart, do you want me to take your laptop apart? Okay, to dismantle it. To separate into the constituent pieces. You could also take a team apart to defeat somebody very easily at playing a game or in a sport. So Manchester United took my team apart. They scored 5 goals in the first half an hour. To take apart. In the tennis match, he took his opponent apart. He defeated him very easily, very radically. He beat them very, very strongly. It was an easy victory. You could take apart somebody's argument. So you look at somebody's idea or somebody's argument and you show what the weaknesses are. You analyze it carefully and then take it apart. So he took apart the preconceptions that I had about doing this job. Notice you can also use to take apart in this way, meaning to criticize very strongly. The teacher took my essay apart. He was extremely critical, but using careful analysis. The critics took the film apart. The boss took me apart for making a mess of things. To criticize somebody. So to take apart, to defeat somebody completely. He took apart the team's defense. I guess you could also use this to take apart, to destroy. So the hurricane took the boat apart. It destroyed it completely. So to disassemble, to take apart, to take into pieces. If you take it apart, make sure you know how to put it back together again. To destroy something. The storm took the roof apart. To thrash, to beat somebody severely. The criminal was taken apart by my friend who is a martial arts expert. To take apart somebody's argument. To criticize very strongly, or to analyze the mistakes within it. So take it apart, take him apart. It's a separable one as well. So let's look at some formalities that go with this. I think if you separate something into its different parts, 4.5 informality. Use informally, use semi-formally, semi-formal conversation. I might even go a 5 formality with it. I wouldn't use it very formally though. Yeah, let's take the engine apart. The opposition took my team apart. 3.5 in formality. I wouldn't use in a semi-formal writing. He took my argument apart, but with careful criticism. 4.5 in formality. The teacher took my essay apart. 4 in formality. Okay, so, and then the origin, well, you are taking it, you're putting it in different little pieces. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To take apart.